Yeah, hello guys, how you doing guys? You're welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to show you what the next phase of Bitcoin will be. Now the question many guys are asking is, are we still going to retest low before going up, or are we going up from here? So I'm going to prove it to you and show you what to expect in each phase and how to manage your trade, if Bitcoin is going up from here or if it's retesting this previous targets here before going up. All right, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, guys, please kindly subscribe to this channel. Click that like button for this video and share with your guy, because if you're holding Bitcoin or if you're trading Bitcoin, this video is very important to you guys. All right, so you're welcome to my channel. Now let's dive in. Now we look at what Bitcoin has done in the past, and you see we have established over the weeks that we have had this wave, okay, and it's a complete wave structure. So what we are seeing now is another wave forming on its own. But now we are always looking at the whole entire picture of the wave. Okay, we are looking at this whole structure in respect to this and what we expecting from it. All right. So now let me show you what Bitcoin has done. Now this is hourly chart. If I should take you on this hourly chart, if you should, let's take a look of this pattern, guys. Take a look of what the Bitcoin has done here. Okay, look at this pattern. Now let me bring out this bar pattern from here. If you take it from here now, okay, you see this pattern. All right, look at what Bitcoin has done. This is a pattern it has done. So if you go down to, let's go to 4 hours, so we can see the whole view of this pattern. So if I stretch this stuff, okay, let's stretch it like this. Let's stretch it, guys. So what do you see, guys? You can see exactly as it has done before. It's telling you what it's got to do now. All right, so you see that? I believe some of you might be surprised at what they are seeing now, okay? Because this is a pattern bar. We use it to check what Bitcoin will do and what based on what it has done in the past. Now you can see that the market make this low, okay, and retraces back, break the low, retraces back slightly without breaking this. You can see that here, without breaking this, and also retraces, which is this. And now it went up, breaking the previous, but could not close, and now the market pulled back. You can see the same thing playing out, okay? So the same thing playing out. So now, looking at the whole structure, we trade structure by structure. We don't trade candles. Like somebody might look at what is happening now and say, okay, it's going up. No, we don't trade candles. We trade structures, okay? So now, what we'll be expecting probably this week is whereby the market, if it fails to close above, okay, let me show you. If it fails to close above this high, above this kind of resistance, okay, if it fails to close, this is 4-hour chart, okay, look at this one, it was rejected. The first attempt to break this resistance, was rejected, and which is this candle, you see, then has been coming down. So you see, now the candle is the market is trying to push up. But looking at this, if you look at this as a running flat, so the only time it will be safe to enter this market is at this point, guys. Okay, so you can position yourself here, so to enter the market from here. All right, so two things we might be expecting, because market is always the king. The market might decide on its own to complete this wave, like for instance, making this a running flat, completing this wave, making it like this is A, B, this is B, then C, then it comes down. So either I start coming down from here or start coming down from here. We're expecting this to be completed, okay, based on what the Bitcoin has done in the past. All right, so but for you not to be trapped in this trade, so two things you might do. The first thing is to position your entry here. But if you position your entry here, just be very careful, because market might decide to very sharp up and sharp down. So in that scenario, you might use a trailing stop to guide your position in case of that fast plunge of the market. All right. So, but now, secondly, it might decide from here to start going up, but irrespective of whichever one is going to do, once this resistance is fully broken, there must be a retest of it. Okay, the market must definitely retest and bounce before we now start seeing the next wave. But based on what the market has done in the past, we are expecting that if you take a look from 1 hour, this move that is going up might stop somewhere and start pulling back. Okay, because you can see that this trend is already broken. So what we might be seeing is a pullback, kind of correction of this phase. All right, so that is it, guys, on Bitcoin. So we are still very much in corrective phase until this whole thing is cleared off. So, but it will make more sense. It will make more sense and more healthy if Bitcoin makes this A, B, C, guys. Okay, this is what we'll be expecting. If it does this, then the next boom phase will be very, very aggressive. Okay, because it has gathered a lot of momentum for that phase. One thing you should learn from this video: the more Bitcoin spend time in correction, the higher it goes when it's mooning. Okay, the higher it goes when it's mooning. All right, so that's one thing you should be aware of. The more you spend time is better, the higher it will go when it starts. So always position yourself. Take a look of those coins that are spending a lot of time consolidating. That's why understanding the structure is very, very important in trading. It will boost your trading career. It will help you to be profitable. That's why if you want to learn, you can contact us, and the details on the description below. All right, so that is on Bitcoin. All right, so we are expecting this to play out. So let's watch out. Let's cross our fingers and watch out how this thing plays out, guys. Okay, so if you take a look on Ethereum, every market there, as I said, Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum finally has reached our target. We dropped this live since, so this is our target for Ethereum. So for now, we are exiting Ethereum, waiting for this. Okay, so if I should draw, this is a trend. Let me see, it's a trend. This target is already met. Let me remove it. If we go to hourly charts, okay, so what we'll be expecting is, let's watch out what happens here. So, but the safest place to enter Ethereum is to enter at this line. Okay, at this line. So that's the safest place to enter Ethereum, because from here I pull back. If Bitcoin decides to take that next, fast impulse up, which is like this, then it might decide to come down. All right. So, but just be aware that this looks corrective in nature. This move looks corrective in nature. Okay. So that is just what you should be aware of. All right, guys. So I believe Bitcoin is the king, guys. Okay, Bitcoin is the king of the crypto, and believe it or not, the bull market is still here. All right, guys. So as the market develops, I'll be coming your way to share with you the next phase. So, but concerning what we just said, this candle is just pulling up. So let's watch. Okay, let's watch and see the next phase of it. But once the market decides to close below this again, just be sure that Bitcoin definitely might decide to do this and come down, do this, then start coming down. Okay, we are still biased in this next phase than the upside at this level. All right, okay, sir. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel, and lest I forget, before I go, now let me share with you one of these coin that they call it, is it CHRTBTC? Okay, CHRTBTC, guy. You can call this coin a shit coin. I don't care. You can call it a shit coin. Yes, it's a shit coin, but with shit money. All right. So this coin, I just found it, and it's ready to go. All right, it's ready to go. So I'll keep sharing with you. Now, let me give you a strategy on how to buy this. This coin is definitely will go this week. All right, it has started going already. We're already in profit. So I just want to share with you to show you what you can do. Now, if you buy this and it makes 1 or 2x of your money. Exit and put the money in Bitcoin, okay? Exit and put the money in Bitcoin. This is what we do. We trade to double our Bitcoins, okay? We trade to double our Bitcoin, so at least the next phase should be expecting, my next sales would be like 486 Satoshi, okay? We'll be expecting the next sale at 486 Satoshi, okay? And this is on Binance. So that's one thing you should be aware of, that nothing goes up forever. Most of these shit coins can blow your account, you know, and also if you understand how it goes. So if you buy this coin, I'm just giving this as a bonus to you guys because I want you to succeed. If you buy this coin and it goes up to, from here to there, it should be like 183% or 81%. So from there, you can exit. Shit coins can go up and also come down drastically. All right, guys, so this is where I'll be drawing the curtain for today, and I believe you enjoy this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you for your time. See you tomorrow.